Uh-huh.
All right. So, like, first we need to set up the graphical part. Here we will have some graphics. We will have one button for rock, one button for paper, one button for scissor. And when you will click on the button, then in the background, the script will run, which will detect like, okay, rock is selected and do, like, will show you like the winner and something like that.
Right.
Okay, just for practice sake and seeing things like how functions works in another place also, for sake of understanding and refreshment. Okay, so first thing is we go here. We have three main components: starter, graphical user interface, like starter GUI, starter pack, and player. Player runs only when
Yeah.
you run the code and we play this, then we can have the player now. For example, if you see like starter player, clicking on this, these are all those scripts which will work when you are running. There's also one thing when you click on it, so you can make it bigger. Uh,
Right.
like you can click on this, maybe player. Oh, yeah, player is there. Sorry, in this place. You can click on player, and then you can click on this one. I want to click on this player. Then click on scale. Maybe click on this, and
Oh my gosh.
okay, like this, and maybe it will also move.
Yeah.
And
Right.
it's even moving with more speed. Okay, like for example,
Wait, if we made it huge, it could go out to the base plates, right? Wait.
yes, yes.
Is this the biggest? Wait. All right.
It may definitely go out of view. Oh, when you will restart, everything will vanish. Oh,
Oh,
I think it's restarted. No problem. Okay. So first of all, we go to starter GUI and we insert a screen GUI and we call it rock paper scissors GUI. So in here we have a starter GUI. We click on this and we
that's a
select
starter
whether.
pack.
Oh, sorry, that's why I could not see the screen GUI.
Yeah.
Okay, starter GUI, and then screen GUI, this one, and we rename the screen GUI as rock paper scissors GUI or PS GU, maybe GUI, rock paper scissors GUI. Okay. After this, but it's not showing us here. Where is this screen GUI? I click on this. It is supposed to show us here. Like if I double click on this, ये इसमें डालो. ये और all right. Hmm. Okay, it's a starter GUI, screen GUI, and maybe we have to go more like a frame, maybe. Oh, I think
Yeah.
we have to do frame. Then starter GUI, we have to make a screen GUI. Okay, we make it a frame. Like okay, no problem. We call it RPS, and we move this frame. Is this movable? Yes, this is movable. We can place it in here, and we can also stretch it based on, but we can also change these values. Okay, I think it's better to stretch it like this. Rock, paper, scissors. We do it with the screen, but we can also do it based on object. Like we can make a new uh, OB, and then you can just put on that things.
Okay.
Okay. So let's call this frame UI as mainframe. MAINFRAME, mainframe. Okay. And inside the mainframe, we insert some buttons. Clicking on this, text buttons, and we rename this rock button. ROCKBUTTON. And then you press Control D. Can you press Control D, please? It will make the copies of this. Okay, we have three buttons. Okay, we call the first one rock button. Can you call the second one paper button and third one scissor button?
Yeah.
If that is easy for you, quickly. After this, we will also need a label, I think, a label that will show us like who is a winner.
All right.
Okay, perfect. So we have those things ready. Okay, if I double click on this, in the bottom, I will also have text, background color. So I change the background color with, let's say, another color and click on this. It's not changed because this is not the button, this is another button, and this is another button.
Okay.
Okay, and then I also write there text. Its name is paper button. Uh, but I want to change the name text of the button. But let's see if I double click on it. Will it tell? Oh yeah, you can change the text from here. This one is rock button, so you can call it rock. Okay, the text is very small. We can also fit it. That is called scaled text. Yeah, text is scaled. Can you also scale this text, please? And then write the name for this, just for sake of practice. We have rock, we have paper. We also change this one is the paper, so you can also change its name as
Yeah.
paper. Scissors. You can make it small, it's up to you. You can adjust it anyway. By the way, Hector, if you would like to make the frame or uh, that RPS GUI bigger or smaller, like lengthwise, you can also do that.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait, I just press on it or no?
I think you should try like by clicking on this and then clicking on mainframe. Then you can maybe select
Okay.
this particular corner and okay, that will be too big. Maybe
Wait,
we
wait.
will
All
also
right. All right.
yeah, we
Yeah.
will also hide the tail. This is the screen-based thing, but you can also make it based on object. Like in that way, the player will also play. We can make different levels. First level, you have to. I was playing Roblox player, and I was watching like there is also a game of Spider-Man. That he was also
Spider-Man?
swinging, and yes, in the Roblox Studio, it was swinging and it was also uh jumping so high uh in the
That's
same
well, and it's doable, right?
yes, I think.
All right.
Okay. Okay, you can adjust it anyway. Okay, now would you like to change the color of each?
Yeah,
Yeah, I think the you can change it to the rock. Okay. Yeah, rock is something like this color. Paper is something like maybe white
yeah.
or
Maybe
gray.
wait, yeah. Like a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Scissors is great.
Scissors can be black maybe or like dark gray. It depends on actually what kind of scissors we have.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay.
Wait, if I fill them and then I descale them so they're not that big like letters.
I think this is okay.
All right.
Oh, scissors is biased.
It's a bit, but is that fine?
Yeah, it's fine. Even you can do it like this. For example, you can write them as a low. It's your choice. You can also write like this, and in the first you can write rock, first you can write paper, third you can write scissor, or you can do it like this: rock, paper, and scissor. Or you can
Yeah,
do
yeah.
it like this, definitely. Anyway, you are. It's okay. All right. So, oh,
I'll fix it real quick.
no problem.
That should be
Okay.
good.
I think this is okay because it's having everyone is having equal chance. So
Wait, why is there some white line up? Wait.
yeah, this is because of size.
Oh, but it's still there now.
I think on the left side, a little bit left, but no problem. We are okay.
All right. Let's.
Okay, let's continue. Thank you. We also save this so we don't lose it. Let's press Control S, uh, and then we write its name as rock paper scissors
Mhm.
in here. Would you like to write? Okay. The creator is me, and you can click on make it public also, so everyone can watch it. Normally, when someone search it, he don't write comma. So it's better to not write comma because it's based on search engine optimization. So
All
when
right.
you will search, so I think it's a good idea. Okay, let's see if I click on save. Okay, successfully saved. Rock, paper, scissors. Let's see if I play this, will it work? Rock, 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 paper, 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 scissors, scissors, scissors.
Now they just have to do something.
Yeah, we for that we will write the script. We will go here in the starter GUI again, and parallel to the screen GUI, inside the screen GUI, we create a new script parallel to the frame. We should call it local script. It will work locally. So, okay. So just to make sure this is working, if we play, it should show us hello world here. Yes, it's detected. Okay. Now this means this is connected. Second thing, we can just write there the connection of the buttons. Like I make first the buttons. So buttons dot rock dot mouse button click. Okay, let's say write local uh, graphical user interface is present in the parent element.
Okay.
Local frame is present with the name of its name is different. Its name is not frame. Its name is mainframe. MAINFRAME.
Yeah.
Okay. And if I want to access the buttons, I will write there frame dot buttons. So I write there local um, buttons is equals to in the Lua language, when you have to make a list, you write it with a curly bracket. In Python, we write it with the square brackets.
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Okay. So in here we write there rock equals to frame dot rock button. Paper is equals to frame dot paper button and so on.
Oh, so it did that by itself.
Scissor button. Okay. Yeah. Okay. When we say button dot mouse button clicked, connect function, and then we just write there print. And this button is clicked, we will just write there print rocked clicked. Let's see, we check it first. Will it work really, or we are just writing text? Um, Caesar is not a valid number of the frame player. Maybe there's something wrong with the Caesar. Is the bottom is showing an error. This one, Caesar button. We have to make sure that spellings are correct for Caesar, which is matching with this one. Cissor. Cissors. Okay, there's a S spelling difference. We correct this Caesar
Yeah.
button, and then we play this again. Okay, this time no error. No, oh yeah, you
Yeah.
see it's detecting rock clicked. We can also detect the other buttons using this, and we make the functions for them. You can just write there button dot paper dot click, and
Like this.
yes, button dot click, connect it with the function, and function just say paperclip. Yeah, you can press that. I think now it should work with paper button also, and then also the scissors button. Again, it's showing us scissors, the spellings for the
Yeah.
variable.
Scissor. It's
Oh, no, 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 it's okay.
scissor.
It's scissors. It's already
Oh yeah.
scissors.
Yeah. You did it here.
Okay, it is here. Yes, but the name of the label is scissor button. Okay.
Yeah. It definitely works.
Yes, I think this works perfectly. So now we have to write the other logic. So we say whenever, oh, okay, like let's make a plan. Like for example, we are having buttons. When we click on a button, it should choose the rock. If I click rock button, it should go to a function, and that function should. I think we did a mistake while making this. We forgot to write there a label that will show us who is the winner.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah. We have to. We also have to do that. For that, what we do, we go to the starter GUI, and then we go to RPS GUI, and then we go to mainframe. In the mainframe, we add text label, and I don't know where is this label is right now. Okay, but we can just double click on this label, and it
I
will
think it
show
might
us
be behind
the.
the rock thing.
I think maybe it's under the rock. Yes, we have to do a lot of changes. Okay.
Wait, let's stop it quickly.
Yep, we can do that. We have to make a label also. Oh, because we added the label when the game was running. So you have to add the label
Yeah.
again. Okay,
Yeah.
can you do that? Yeah, for practice sake.
Right. Under mainframe. Insert, right?
Yep.
Oh, wait. Wait, where do I insert it?
Um, I think we can insert it.
Alright.
Yeah, it's already there. When you will add the, I think text label is better.
Alright.
Okay, yes, and this is there. You can you can make it scared and adjust it. Uh,
Okay. Alright.
mhm. All right, so now we also have to make like a label here. So we can write there local and result is equals to uh, frame dot no sorry frame dot and result label, this one. So we will get it based on the where. All right. So we have to make one function now instead of calling this function. We will like okay, we remove this. I also remove clean the screen, and then we remove this, and we also remove this. and we make one single function for this. We call it, let's say, um, a play function. I write it as local function, and then we call it play function that will take a choice, whatever the choice you will pass, and it will end this. So we will print, right now we just print choice to make sure if that works. Player choose and then choice. And in here, when we are calling the function, we should write there, when I call this function, call it with the play. Function will be play function. And then rock. Let's check it with the rock first. Um, we just play this to confirm will it work. Rock. Um, no, it's saying like a result label is not a valid number of the framework. Okay. Okay. I think there is something wrong when we are loading it. So it's saying like a result label. It's a text label. We have to change its name as a result label.
Yeah, all right.
RESULT RESULTLABEL. Now we try to play this. Okay, this time looking good. Rock, is it detecting rock? Yeah. It's detecting. Player choose rock. Okay, perfect. Now can you also call the function with the paper and please, Caesar?
Yeah, all right.
Okay. Sorry, Hector, I was watching on the screen. Uh,
It
I am
works. It
also
works.
learning. Yes, nice, nice, nice. I am also learning a language, a different language, Arabic, for speaking. Okay, we are having now, this is perfect. Now, with the remaining thing is writing the logic. Um, and regarding logic, we can, I think, we have to, like, when we have this rock, paper, scissors, we also have to generate randomly another, so I say, uh, computer is equals to computer choice is equals to math dot random 1 2 3. If computer choice is 1, then computer choice is rock. But why not we write there math dot random dot choice or something like that. Is there anything present like this?
Maybe it doesn't work for like that language.
Yes,
Does it
no
work?
problem. We have alternative. Like for example, if we make a list of choices, like total underscore choices equals to we have a curly bracket and then rock paper and scissors. These are the choices we have, and in here we write math dot no, we can write their choices. Oh, we can like this. Total choices and randomly choose a word. It will give you the length of total choices. So it can be 1 2 or 3. In Python, it starts from 0. But in here, you can write 3 normally, like 1 2 and 3.
Okay.
Okay. So then we can, the other logic is same. We can write like if computer choice, then, oh, I think it's suggesting us, like, why not we try this? If computer choice is this, then result text you win. Oh, wow. It's writing it
Oh
for
my
us.
God. Even weight and stuff. Oh my gosh.
It's automatically gave us full code. Let's see. Okay, we click on rock. You lose.
Make your choice.
Yes, then you can choose a choice. It's a tie.
Ah.
It's looking better, right? So make your choice. We should also change the text. Let's do this thing. Hector, I just take control a little bit. And in here we when we are making the text, we also say result dot text make your choice. So it will show us make your choice on the start. I think looks look better.
Yeah.
You can also write a counter like you won how many times, computer won how many times. You
Yeah.
just have to add there a list,
Wait,
and then you can
how do
click
you
on
do
it.
that? We'll make a
Okay.
new. We'll make a block or something.
I think
A
we can
new.
maybe like write there a counter or something.
Okay.
Let's say at the start we write there how many times computer won. How many times player won is equals to 0. How many times computer won total choices and computer choice. Okay, there's no need for total choices actually. And whenever there is like a you won, so you can write there increment how many time you won and you win will be when it will change the text. Uh,
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, here we can. Whenever you write result.text, like maybe Control X, and after this, it will say like make your choice, and then make your choice dash dash. Um, we have to write there computer choose, computer choice. No. How many tests? Make your choice, and then we write there total choices. Um, I think I'm writing it in the wrong place. Here, I think we should write make your choice, and then dash dash. How many time player won? Let's see, will it work? If I run it, it will work only when the player will win. So we just try to, okay, like this. It's putting there. Okay, we just write a space also.
Okay.
Here space.
I thought we had to do
Mm,
like a counter for like how many times computer one and how many times player one instead of like how many choices you have made.
okay, then we ask it wait for 2 seconds and then show us again choice, right? Or we can make a separate, also we can make
Yeah.
another label for this. Player one, and then we also write there result.text, control C, and then this will be, what is this? Player one or computer one? You win, again you win, again you win, again it's a tie. Oh, okay. Again we have to write like this. Again you have to write like this. So we are making it confusing.
And then under maybe say it's a tie and then don't give any
Hmm?
points.
Yeah, we can say it's a tie. That's it. I think it's already a tie. No problem. We don't need to do this. You want to see how many times it was a tie?
Sorry?
Would you like to do how many times it was a tie match? Like how many times it tie? Like the tie,
No.
tie, the match actually. Okay. I just write there, let's say one last thing. Um, okay, no, I think I'm doing something wrong. Would you like to change this? Because I am just writing the result or text is equals to win. Right after that, I'm writing result or text is equals player one. So it will always show us player one. It will not show ever us like who won actually.
Oh.
I think you can change it as a practice, home practice. Uh, what do you think?
Wait, how do you mean?
I mean, like, you can change this as a like later, maybe later anytime. You can change it like according to your requirements as a homework or something like
Okay.
that. Okay, I also click on publish to Roblox. Let's see will that work. Right now, I leave it
Else,
like this.
wait, else we should have it like you lost and computer gets like a
Mm-hmm.
counter.
Yes, yes, but there's one thing wrong. I should also write there like a you won and like it's like should be like here. Like U1 dash dash and then something like this.
Oh. that makes sense.
Yes, we write it in here also, like this, and we remove this. There's no need for this. And then we also remove, like, copy this, Control C, and Control V, and also Control V. Okay, and then in else, we can write here, definitely there's only one chance left for winner one. So how many times computer won? And then computer won like this. It's a tie, like this. Or maybe you can change it as you want.
Wait, I think we should
I think
do
it's better to make a separate label. What do you think? Like a separate
like,
label that will show us continuous scores.
yeah,
Okay,
just
you
or
can
else it's
try it as yeah. There's also no space you lose computer one. It's all already changing every time. So you can make a new label and then you can
where do
continuously
I do?
write it. You know the idea.
Mm, wait, so where do I
Okay,
put the new?
I tell you, I just started for you, but you can try it. Like let's say we call it scoreboard.
Okay,
Okay, we call it a text label, and or we can say it next time. No problem. We can call it scoreboard. Scoreboard, and we hit enter. And after this, we can also write there, just like we get this label from the mainframe, we can write there scoreboard
okay,
local, and then local scoreboard is equals to frame dot scoreboard. And then you can keep on writing it in the scoreboard when you will make an extra scoreboard and so on. So this is the
okay,
idea. Like how can we keep on improving it? Maybe we can add more features. We can add
yeah,
a multiplayer, maybe even like sometimes when two people from different laptop can play the game.
yeah,
So this way. All right, Hector, I think this is okay for today. Um, so was it okay? Like, is it
yeah,
understandable, the thing? Okay.
yeah, pretty
In this
well.
way, like when you make like functions, you can also use them in other places also. All right,
Yeah.
Hector, then see you next time. Nice to meet you again. See you. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.